Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. And today I am going to be doing full face of Maybelline of my favorite products. Now back in the day, this was such a thing where people used to do full face one brand tutorials and all of that, right? I know nowadays people don't do it much, but I still wanted to do full face of Maybelline because Maybelline has been my favorite brand ever since I started doing makeup. I have loved so many of their makeup products, so I thought I'll feature them here where I'll show my favorite products but only of Maybelline, and I'll create this makeup look with you guys right here. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So to start with, we are obviously going to start with the primer, and I have this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin Primer. This is kind of blurring, so for my huge pores this is just the perfect one, and at the same time it's not that drying or silicone-ish, so it does not dry out my skin. It gives it the glow that it needs, so it's like moisturizer and primer in one. And now when my primer is on place, I am going to start with concealing and contouring. Now I remember the days when I used to love that Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, but for right now it has become too drying for me. I tried it some time ago and I still felt the same, that it was too drying for me. So I'm not using a concealer by Maybelline, but rather I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is like a concealer only, but like a lighter version of the concealer. So I'm going to use this as my concealer, and all over the face I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use this tint all over the face. But before doing all of that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and dust it all over the face, just to make sure that my face is oil free for a very long time. Slightly dust your face. This technique is actually a very good one for people with oily and combination skin type. And now let's go ahead with this foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit behind. And now this is the kind of coverage that Maybelline Fit Me gives you, but if you want a little extra coverage, you can obviously anytime use the Superstay one, because this is the most coverage that you can get. And when you compare, this is the Superstay side, which is obviously a lot more coverage, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me side. So here you can see the acne spots and all a little bit, but this side you won't see any of that. And now you see I've almost covered all my acne marks and everything, and just to blend everything in, I'm going over with the tint. Now when we are done with our foundation and skin tint and all of that, we are going to contour our face, and for that I am using this Maybelline V Face Duo Stick. This is an amazing product actually. I've used this for so long, and it gives that very natural kind of finish, and at the same time it blends like a dream. And this is how that contour is looking. I think it does a pretty good job. And now I'm going to move towards the powder. Powder is again very finely milled and beautiful and gives a very nice finish to your face. So this is a great setting powder in budget actually. You can immediately see the difference, the set side and the non-set side. This looks a little more, you can see a lot of pores and all, fine lines, but here everything is like nicely melted into the skin. And that is my base on place. And now I don't have any blush that I love from Maybelline as of yet, so I am going to do my blush and also eyeshadows, because again there's not anything that I've loved as much to show you here in the video. So I'll do my eyeshadow, I'll do my blush and all, and I'll be right back. And now I have used this Maybelline eyeliner. This is Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This is such a beautiful liner because it has that nice tip to it, which gives you very nice shape. It gives you very nice control because of the handle, and at the same time the tip is so sharp that it gives you the most sharp wing liners, as you can see I've done. And now I'm going to do my mascara. For that I'll first curl my lashes. And now when mascara, eyeliner and everything else is done, we are going to go to the last step, and that's going to be this Maybelline Master Chrome. It's been long since I've put it on, so let's just do that. I had forgotten how beautiful this looked on the skin, yeah. It looks so pretty. Look at that. And look at this side. And now we go to lipstick, and this is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is my favorite formula when it comes to liquid lipsticks. No matter what I eat, it is not going to budge. And guys, this is how my full face of Maybelline is looking. Let me know what do you think about it, and if you want more such videos, please let me know down in the description box. I'll be more than happy to do it. And until next time, take care. Ta-da.